Happy September 1st. My challenge starts today. This month, we're doing workouts all around the house. So all the micro routines that I've been posting on social media, those have been so popular and you've asked me to actually create full-length routines. So I did. It's available on my site and app as a challenge. The idea is to get you accustomed to working out wherever you are at any time of the day with whatever you have at hand. This month, they're 10-minute routines, but I really want you to just memorize them so that next month or the month after, they just become habits. You're brewing a cup of coffee, do a couple push-ups by the counter. You're at your work desk, do some stretches for your posture. You're on the couch watching TV, why not train your cardio at the same time? Fitness is a forever thing, and when you get used to these habits, it won't even feel like you're working out. That's how it becomes a lifestyle. I'm so excited for you to try my challenge. I really think these exercises are going to be beneficial for you. Sign up now at justinagustin.com and download the Justin Agustin Fitness app on Apple and Google Play and on your smart TV, pretty much everywhere. Don't forget to download the digital and printable schedule that's available in the resources section on the website. Happy September, happy workout.